Today I'm going to try and modify my dust collection. Right now I have a Dust Deputy, you can't see over here, just the bucket came with it. It works awesome, but obviously you got to clean it up, or empty the bucket out a lot. So I got these drums on Craigslist. I'm going to use some for my scraps, and then I figure I'll try and use one with the small Dust Deputy, see how it works. It may be a little too big. I'm going to try it out, and see if we can get it to work. See what happens. Alright, so now I got the top off of my current Dust Deputy, and I'm just going to take it apart. I already got the center drawn on the top of this, where this top piece is going to go. All this stuff together so I don't lose it. Just like that. Here. Alright, so I'm just going to lay out using the gasket, the holes. It out. Take this off of here. Alright, so I got the holes laid out. Take the top off. Which I've never done before. There we go. Sorry. Checking what is on. There you go. Lid's off, marked. Gonna drill it. Probably gonna have to put something reinforced in here, cut out something out of scrap, because this is pretty flimsy. You know, it's cardboard, but fairly decent drum. So we'll see what happens. Stop it, Reese. Alright, so got the gasket. I have some piece of MDF left. I'm going to cut that out just so I can put it on the underside of the lid, just to give it a little bit more support. I still think the lid's a little too flimsy, so after some movement I think it's going to fail, but for $10 we'll try it out. Got the support all cut out, so I'm going to take it over, drill the holes, get the hole out of them, drill the hole in the middle of both. This one's going to go on the bottom, hopefully give it a little bit more support. Alright, so I got the little support donut cut, and I'm going to put it together and see how sturdy it is. So just go grab everything over there. Place is a mess, but we'll get to it. It's going to be a rainy 1.5 inches worth of rain day, so I'll be down here. Got to figure out some projects. This was the next one up. Alright, it's mounted. One thing, I just woke up when I started doing this. I'm going to have to get longer bolts to use that donut, because with the bolts that come with the Dust Deputy, they're made just to go through a plastic thin lid. So I'll need to probably get bolts that are probably at least a 1/2 inch longer, if this works. So it's still an experiment. Let's put it on, see what happens. Alright, so temporary hookup. It's working. Got that blast gate open. Cable on the joint here. Alright, so took it off. I didn't have too much dust in here. The shop was pretty clean. But it did, it's got some in there, everything, so it's working. We'll try it with some heavier stuff, you know, run the, maybe run some stuff through the planer when I get a second. Or the joiners, make some serious chips and see how it goes. But so far, so good. I'll post an update to this. I know filming with my cell phone is not the best, so I'm sure the video quality could be a lot better. Sorry about that, but figure somebody might want to try this, so I put it on there to show it. So far it does work.